How to use the paragraphs inline entity form. We're going to be using an example that comes with the module. So first enable the module. This will also enable some of the dependencies. After the module is enabled, we can start creating the content. When you enable the module, there are some bits that come with it. So text format for embed and for the example. And this will have a button to do the entity browser. And the paragraph type, for example, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, etc. So we're adding the first content here, testing the Facebook embed, and you click on the button to do the embed and select Facebook, and then paste the embed from Facebook. Once you click embed, it's already on the page. Next, we're gonna test how to do a Twitter embed. Same way as Facebook, you click on Twitter button, copy the embed code from Twitter and paste. And the same works for Instagram and any other social. So what the paragraphs inline entity form is doing is allowing us to embed paragraphs using the entity embed and entity form. It is possible to add multiple embeds on the same content, and it's also possible to edit embeds just like you do with the entity embed module. Finally, I'm creating an article, and I'm gonna show how to embed entities using the same form. So basically all the functionality that you see on the video is provided by the example module, and you can look and reuse the configurations from the example module on your projects. Thanks for watching.